Every single frame of that film, I made alone. No crew, no budget, no camera, just one app and an idea. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can build your own cinematic AI short film from scratch. Let's go. This is Filmora. Download link is in the description. Everything we're doing today, script, visuals, motion, color, sound, happens inside this one tool. No switching apps. Step 1, write your story. Every film starts with an idea. Mine was simple. A teenage girl survives a power plant explosion, wakes up with the ability to control electricity. Now, instead of opening Google Docs or ChatGPT, I stay inside Filmora. Click Toolbox, select AI Copywriting. It's powered by ChatGPT, built right in. I type my concept, hit Generate, and it gives me a structured script. Scene descriptions. You don't need to be a writer, you just need an idea. Step 2, build your characters. Before I generate a single scene, I create my two main characters first. This is the most important step for consistency. Click AI Image. Select Nano Banana Pro. It's built into Filmora and produces the most film quality results. I type my prompt for Maya, my main character. Select aspect ratio as 9:16. Hit Generate. There she is. Make it large and take a snapshot of it. I save this as my reference image. Now Elena, her mother. Go through the same process. These two images are my anchors. Every scene I generate from now, I upload one of these as a reference. That's how the same character appears across every shot. Step 3, generate your scenes. I have 8 scenes, so I am going to generate 8 images first. For each scene, I upload the reference image and type a simple prompt. For scene 1, upload Maya as reference. Type prompt, a teenage girl running toward a massive industrial power plant fence at night. Hit Generate. And there it is. That's a movie still. From one line of text. For scene 2, upload Maya image as reference. Maya is lying in a white hospital bed, sparks between her fingers. Same character, same face, different scene. I followed the same process for all 8 scenes. All the prompts are in the description, you don't need to write them yourself. 8 cinematic frames, built inside Filmora. Now I turn every single one into a moving sequence. Click Image to Video. Select VO 3.1, the most film-like model available with sound effects and dialogue built in. Upload Scene 1 image. Type the motion prompt. Camera slowly pushes forward as Maya runs in heavy rain at night. Hit Generate. The rain is moving. The camera is pushing in. That's a real film shot from a still image. Upload the second scene and give the prompt. Maya lying in the hospital bed slowly raises her hand. She stares at her hands in shock. Watch. Her electric crackle finger is moving cinematically. I follow the same process for every scene. Now I drag everything into the timeline, in order. And for the first time I watch Volta as a complete film.
What?
Rough. No color, no sound. But the story is there. And I built this in under 20 minutes. Step 4, color grade. Filmora has 3 color tools, and I use all 3. First, LUT Hub. All I do is double-click my clip 6, go to color, enable LUT, and I pick a dramatic cinematic LUT. One click, instant cinematic look. Same footage, completely different film. Second, HSL panel. I want the electric blue in the fight scenes to feel more dangerous. Click HSL. Use the eyedropper. Tap on the blue glow. Drag saturation up. Luminance down. The electricity now looks alive. Third, HDR color wheels. This one surprised me. Most editing software doesn't have this. Only DaVinci Resolve, the industry standard for professional colorists. Filmora now has it too. It splits your image into 6 brightness zones. I crush the shadows dark and push the highlights into electric blue. That's a Hollywood action film. Same footage, 3 color tools. Step 5, sound and export. Sound design is 3 layers. Sound is what makes the emotion land. Layer 1, atmosphere. VO3 already generates sound with every clip. Besides that, Filmora has a large sound effect library. Layer 2. Music. Filmora has a built-in music library partnered with Universal Music Group, so every track is cleared for commercial use. I filter by Epic Cinematic. Find a track that builds into the fight and drops soft for the ending. Drag it to the timeline. Perfect. Layer 3. Emotional arc. For the ending scene, I bring the music down using volume keyframes. The quieter it gets, the harder the emotion hits. Last thing, cinematic bars. Click on Effects arrow, search Cinematic Bars. Black bars top and bottom. Simple overlay. Instantly tells your brain, this is a movie. Now it's time to export. Click on Export, give a name of your file and set YouTube preset settings and click on Export. Done. Let's watch the film.
What? What is this? It was her. Tell me everything.
I had two choices. Run forever, or make you strong enough.
I raised a storm. You raised a lightning bolt, Mom.
Script, characters, scenes, color, sound, start to finish, inside one tool. If you want to build your own, Filmora link is in the description. All the prompts I used are there too. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to get more updates. I'll see you in the next one.